Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here, and this video is about our data security, how we handle your data, and how you can access backups. You might be watching this video because you're considering Populi, or you might already be a Populi user. So we'll try to serve both masters, which I know I'm not supposed to do, but sometimes I like to be bad. This video is going to cover the big stuff, but there are certain technical aspects that are just better handled in our knowledge base articles. So if you need to dig in deeper, you'll find those linked below. Even though not all of our clients need to be concerned about conforming to rules from the European Union, some do. So Populi's data security practices meet the EU's General Data Protection Regulations, GDPR, and you'll hear that referenced in our explanation. The basics about how we handle your data are as follows. Populi keeps regular automatic backups of your school's data. Such backups are securely stored in a separate location and are meant to restore your data in case of emergency. Additionally, they provide historical data snapshots for various uses. We can view a snapshot of your data as it was at any particular minute in the last 30 days. And after that, we take snapshots out to 180 days. Each backup is a complete copy of everything in your Populi database. Okay, let's talk about what happens when you delete your data. Whether it was deleted for normal reasons, someone requested you to do so under GDPR, or your school canceled its account with Populi, here is how that deleted data is handled in our regular backups. That data is marked as deleted in our databases and is no longer accessible via your school's Populi site. However, it is retrievable by us under certain conditions. We call this soft deleting. If the deleted data is attached to academic or financial information, GDPR permits Populi to retain it in perpetuity for various purposes. For instance, if we were subpoenaed to provide evidence or something. Such data remains soft deleted and is not purged. 26 weeks after it's marked deleted, it's fully purged from our active database. It is now hard deleted. However, one day before that, the deleted data is included in the regular backup. That means it's included in that secure off-site backup in its soft deleted form. So it's still retrievable by us, but it would take a lot of work to get a hold of it. After another 26 weeks, the backup is purged and that deleted data enters the void. That's the overview. The docs in the description go further in depth. Now, how do you get your data? Populi lets you download your core data once every 24 hours from account backups. The backup file includes academics, everything from transcripts to transfer credits, from course lessons to the course catalog, financial transactions, invoices, payments, financial aid, donations, admissions, applications, and all the information you have for your leads. People, all the people in your system together with all their contact and other personal info. Other items, your entire bookstore and library. You can manually download the backup every 24 hours. To do that, you'll need a Populi profile with Populi Account Administrator access. If you have that, you'll be able to click under your profile picture or initials and select Account and Settings. And then under Account, you'll select Backups. Click Request a Backup and then confirm your request, and Populi will begin preparing CSV files of your current data. This process can take anywhere from several minutes to several hours. It goes on behind the scenes, so you can do something else for the time being. When the backup's ready, you'll receive an email. Return to the backup section to download it. Requested backups remain accessible for 1 week from the time that they're made available, after which they're deleted. Don't forget, keep the backup files safe. Now that it's exported from Populi, it's up to you to keep that information secure. Wow, wasn't that great? Speaking of great, a great way to keep up with updates and improvements to Populi as a software is via our weekly release notes. Those go out on Friday, and you can follow them in our knowledge base. To do that, when you're logged into Populi, click on Help in the upper right-hand corner, click Search the Knowledge Base, then click Release Notes and Announcements. Click on the heading for Release Notes, and then click Follow. You'll receive an email when we post release notes there, and that'll keep you on the bleeding edge of Populi features and improvements. And the release notes are fun. Lots of people say it's a highlight of their week. I've been Josh for Populi. You've been great. Thanks for watching.